माइक में बोलिए।
My name is Ashish Anandpal from class 10. I am the leader of this group, Eagle.
My name is Sankar. I study in class 7. I am Eagle Group.
My name is Neera Hema from class 9th from Eagle Group. Hello, I am Teshwari Sahu from class 9 and I am from Eagle Group. I am Sunita Devangar from class 8. I am from Eagle Group.
I am Hasita Sir. I study in class 7. I am from Eagle Group.
My name is Sandra from class 12. I am from Eagle Group. My name is Diksha Rajna from class 10. I am leader of this group service. From class 9, I am the co-leader of the faculty group.
Myself Saurabh Kumar Patel from class 9 from Falcon.
Myself Priyanshu Sahu from class 10 in Falcon Group.
Myself Kanshu Tandon from class 10. I am from Falcon Group.
Myself Aman Vaishnav from class 8. I am from Falcon Group.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, myself Pushkar Nirala from Leo Group. I study in class 10. Thank you.
I am Sajul Niala from class 9. I am co-leader of the group Leo. Thank you.
Hello everyone, all of you. My name is Himanshu Devangan from I am from Leo Group.
My name is Sujit Banjare from class 10th and I am group of Leo.
Myself Sakshi Mirza from class 10. I am Leo.
I am from here.
I am Shani Verma from class 9 from Leo. I am Sakshi from class 8. I am from Leo Group. My name is Kasi Sahu from class 10 and I am leader of Panther Group. Myself Niharika Kashyap, I am from class 9th and I am in Panther Group. Myself Yamisha from class 10 and I am from Panther Group. Myself Anikas from class 8, I am from Panther Group.
My name is Avini Rana from class 10th. I am from Panther Group.
My name is Peter Sahu from class 10. I am Panther Group.
My name is Varun Sahu from class 9. I am Panther Group.
Ready? Welcome to our Capstone School auditorium. So we are going to start our sports quiz competition on behalf of National Sport Day. Are you ready? So, good luck to everyone and make your own luck. आपको अपना लक खुद तराशना है. So we are going to start our quiz competition. So my first question is for Eagle Group. Are you ready? And you have only 1 minute for every question. After reading the question, you will get only 1 minute. And there is no option. We are taking this sports quiz competition so that sports knowledge of yours will increase and you will know who are the Indian sports person? Understand? So, first question for Eagle Group. National Sports Day in India commemorates the birth anniversary of which famous sports personality? Is this question is visible to everyone?
Major Dhyan Chand.
Yes, the correct answer is Major Dhyan Chand. Group. In which sport did Major Dhyan Chand excel? In which sport did Major Dhyan Chand excel?
Hockey.
Yes, the correct answer is hockey. Give 1 mark to Falcon. My next question for Leo Group. What is the highest sporting honor in India often awarded on National Sport Day? What is the highest sporting honor in India often awarded on National Sport Day? And your time has started. First discuss it and speak on mic.
Arjuna Award.
Question is going to be passed to Panther. Discuss it and you have to say the answer. No more timing will be awarded. और बाकी बच्चे अपने माइक को बंद करके रखेंगे, जब उनका बारी आएगा तो ऑन करेंगे.
Ashok Chakra Award.
Question is passed to Eagle Group.
Dhyan Chand Award.
Yes, the correct answer is Major Dhyan Chand Award. Before that award is named Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Now it is changed to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. So, give 1 mark to Eagle Group. My next question is for Panther Group. In which year did Major Dhyan Chand win his first Olympic gold medal in hockey? Wrong. Question is false. In which year did Major Dhyan Chand win his first Olympic gold medal? पहली बार उन्होंने ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल कब जीता था? और बैट का गेम स्टार्टेड
1936 Berlin.
Wrong. Question is passed to Falcon Group. 1956. Wrong. Question is passed to Leo Group.
1936.
Wrong. An audience from audience side. Do you know?
1936.
No. Anyone from audience? No one. The correct answer is 1928. First time Major Dhyan Chand has won his first Olympic medal in 1928. Eagle Group. How many Olympic gold medals did Major Dhyan Chand win during his career? How many gold medals did Major Dhyan Chand win during his career? And your time has been started. Five seconds left.
8.
5 to Falcon Group. How many Olympic gold medals did Major Dhyan Chand win during his career?
3.
Yes, the correct answer is 3. Give 1 mark to Falcon Group. And Major Dhyan Chand has won 3 gold medals. One in 1928, another in 1932, and another in 1936. So my next question is for Falcon Group. Are you ready? What was Major Dhyan Chand's nickname due to his extraordinary skill in hockey? What was Major Dhyan Chand's nickname due to his extraordinary skill in hockey? Dhyan Singh. Pass. Wrong answer. Pass to Leo Group. You have 20 seconds left to think for everyone. Pass. Yes, the question is being passed to Panther Group.
Dhyan Chand.
Pass to Eagle Group.
The wizard and magician of hockey.
Yes, the correct answer is the magician and wizard of the hockey. Give 1 mark to Eagle Group. So now Booster Leo Group. So my next question is for Leo Group. Which country awarded Major Dhyan Chand the title of hockey wizard? किस कंट्री ने मेजर ध्यानचंद को वो टाइटल दिया था द मैजिशियन और हॉकी विजार्ड? Which country awarded Major Dhyanchand the title of hockey wizard? You have 40 seconds left to think. India. Wrong answer. Pass to Panther Group.
Canada.
Wrong. Pass to Eagle Group.
Netherlands.
Pass to Falcon Group. Wrong. From audience side. What audience are saying? No, the correct answer is Germany. Panther Group. In which year was the first National Sports Day celebrated in India? कौन से साल में पहली बार नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे इंडिया में मनाया गया?
2012.
Yes, the correct answer is 2012. Give 1 mark to Panther Group. So my next question is for Eagle Group. Which player is allowed to touch the ball with his feet during a hockey match? Which player is allowed to touch the ball with his feet during the hockey match? And you have only 30 seconds to think. Which player is allowed to touch the ball with his feet? You have only 10 seconds left to think.
Coach.
Question is passed to Falcon Group.
Goalkeeper.
Yes, the correct answer is goalkeeper. Goalkeeper is allowed to touch the ball ball with his feet. Give one mark to Falcon Group. So my next question is for Falcon Group. Which year did Major Dhyan Chand retire from international hockey? कौन से सन में मेजर ध्यानचंद ने हॉकी को अलविदा कह दिया इंटरनेशनल मैच से दुनिया से? In which year? You have only 40 seconds. Wrong. Question is passed to Leo Group. 1940. Wrong. Passed to Panther Group. Passed to Eagle Group.
1948.
Yes, the correct answer is 1948. Sorry, 1948. Give one mark to Eagle Group. Now Houston, Leo. So my next question is for Leo. Be ready. World highest hockey ground is located in. आज नेशनल स्पोर्ट डे है. नेशनल स्पोर्ट डे ध्यानचंद के लिए है, तो उन्हीं से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन शुरू में है, उसके बाद बाकियों का भी क्वेश्चन है. वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट हॉकी ग्राउंड इज लोकेटेड इन. कौन सा हॉकी ग्राउंड है जो पहाड़ पे हाईएस्ट मतलब हाईएस्ट एल्टीट्यूड पे है? You have only 30 seconds left. Germany. Pass to Panther. Pass to Eagle Group. Pass to Falcon Group. Second left to think. Audience, from audience side. इन्होंने तो पहले में ही जर्मनी बोला था. The correct answer is Silaro. आप बोल रहे थे Silaro. So my next question is for Panther Group. Who is regarded as the best player in the history of sport? Who is regarded as the best player in the history of sports?
Major Dhyanchand.
Yes, the correct answer is Major Dhyanchand. Give one mark to Panther Group. So my next question is for Eagle Group. Aga Khan Cup is awarded to. ये जो Aga Khan Cup है, ये किसे दिया जाता है? ये पिछले साल के प्रश्न में भी था. Aga Khan Cup is awarded to. You have 45 seconds left. आगा खान कौन से स्पोर्ट्स में अवार्ड दिया जाता है? You have only 20 seconds left.
Hockey.
Yes, the correct answer is hockey. My next question is for Falcon Group. In which year did India win its first Cricket World Cup? इंडिया ने सबसे पहली बार कब क्रिकेट में वर्ल्ड कप जीता था?
1993.
Yes, the correct answer is 1983. Give one mark to Falcon Group. My next question is for Leo. Who captained the Indian cricket team to its first World Cup victory in 1983?
Kapil Dev.
Yes, the correct answer is Kapil Dev. Give one mark to Leo Group. Next question is for Panther Group. Who is the first Indian female wrestler to win an Olympic medal? पहली इंडियन भारतीय रेसलर कौन है जिसने ओलंपिक मेडल जीता था?
Geeta Fogart.
Pass to Eagle Group. You have only 30 seconds left to think. 20 seconds to think.
Manu Bhagat.
Pass to Falcon Group. We have only 10 seconds to think.
PT Usha.
Pass to Leo Group. आप लोग के ग्रुप में भी है. Time out from audience side. No one. The correct answer is साक्षी मलिक. और मैंने ये भी तो दिया था आपके ग्रुप में भी है. और इंटरनेशनल ईगल. Which Indian athlete is known as Queen of Indian Track and Field? Which Indian athlete is known as the Queen of Indian Track and Field? And you have only 40 seconds left to think.
Mitali Raj.
Pass to Falcon Group. Which Indian athlete is the Queen of Indian Track and Field?
PT Usha.
Yes, the correct answer is PT Usha. Give one mark to Falcon Group. Track मतलब क्या होता है? दौड़ने वाला. So my next question is Falcon Group. Which Indian female boxer has won the most world championship title? Which Indian female boxer has won the most world championship titles? And you have only 30 seconds to think, to get the answer. 20 seconds.
Pass.
Leo Group.
Mary Kom.
Yes, the correct answer is Mary Kom, जिनके नाम से मूवी भी बन चुकी है. So give one mark to Leo Group. So next question is for Leo Group. Who was the captain of the Indian women hockey team at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics? Indian women team की कौन कप्तान थी? You have now 40 seconds left.
Pass.
Question is being passed to Panther Group.
Karnam Paneswari.
Pass to Eagle Group. You have only 10 seconds left. Pass to Panther Group. 5 seconds left. यहीं से चालू होता है. So from audience side, no one. The correct answer is Rani Rampal. So the next question is for Panther Group. Which Indian sport person is known as the Flying Sikh? Which?
Milkha Singh.
Yes, the correct answer is Milkha Singh. Give one mark to Panther Group. So my next question is for Eagle Group. Who was the first Indian athlete to win an individual Olympic gold medal? पहला कौन इंडियन एथलीट थे जिनको पहली बार क्या मिला था? स्वर्ण पदक मिला था. इंडिविजुअल मतलब सोलो गेम, सोलो पार्टिसिपेशन. You have only 40 seconds left to think. Pass to Falcon Group.
Avinav Bindra.
Yes, the correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. Give one mark to Falcon Group. My next question is for Falcon Group. In which year did India win its first ever gold medal in Paralympic? Oh, भूल गया. In which year?
1983.
19. Wrong. Pass to Leo Group.
1920.
Pass to Panther Group.
1963.
Pass to Eagle Group. Only 10 seconds left to think.
1927.
Pass. Audience, pass to audience. Any audience? 19? Wrong answer. The correct answer is 1972. And ये गोल्ड मेडल किसने आया था? स्विमिंग में. और इसके द्वारा मुरलीकांत पेटकर. So my next question is for Leo. Which Indian chess grandmaster became the world chess champion in 2000?
Vishwanath Anand.
Yes, the correct answer is Vishwanath Anand. Give one mark to Leo Group. So my next question is for Falcon. Sorry, my mistake. Panther. What is the motto of the Khelo India program? What is the motto of Khelo India program? You have only 50 seconds left to think. Second left to think. Second left to think.
Olympic.
Pass to Eagle Group. What is the motto of the Khelo India program? Pass to Falcon Group. What is the motto of the Khelo India program? You have only 5 seconds left to think.
Who will most medal in Olympics?
Pass to Leo.
India.
The correct answer is, any audience knows the answer? Say, don't be so shy. No one? The correct answer is, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे लाजवाब. The correct answer is, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे लाजवाब. This is the motto of Khelo India program. So, next question is for
Legal.
So, which Indian state is known as the sports capital of India due to its infrastructure and training facility? Which Indian state is known as the sports capital of India? You have only 45 seconds left.
New Delhi,
Pass to Falcon Group. Pass to Leo Group.
Madhya Pradesh,
Pass to Panther Group.
Uttar Pradesh.
Pass to audience. The correct answer is Haryana. ज्यादातर कुश्ती पहलवान हुई है. So, my next question is for Falcon Group. Who has won gold in men's javelin throw at Olympic Games in August 2021? Yes, the correct answer is Neeraj Chopra. 3-point mark to Falcon Group. My next question is for Leo. Where is the International Olympic Committee headquarters? Where is the International Olympic Committee headquarters? We have only 40 seconds left. Audience, don't make noise. You have 20 seconds left.
Los Angeles,
Pass to Panther Group. Where is the International Olympic Committee headquarters? This is previous year question.
India.
Pass to Eagle Group. Where is the International Olympic Committee headquarters? You have only 5 seconds.
Indonesia,
Pass to Panther. The correct answer, anyone from audience side? Chris? The correct answer is Switzerland. पिछले साल के क्वेश्चन में भी ये था. So my next question is for Panther Group. Where was the first Olympic organized? Where was the first Olympic organized? You have only 50 seconds to get the answers. Pass to Eagle Group.
Greece,
Yes, the correct answer is Greece Athens. So, keep 1 mark to Eagle Group. Sir, देखिए तो चालीस और Eagle Group. Krishna Punya is associated with. इसका जो नाम लिखा है ये कौन से खेल से बिलोंग करती है? You have only 45 seconds. Krishna Punya is associated with which game?
wrestling,
Pass to Falcon Group. You have only 20 seconds left to think. Pass to Leo Group. You have only 10 seconds left to guess the answer.
wrestling,
Pass to Panther Group. Time is going. Yes, the correct answer is shake. Give 1 mark to Panther. So my next question is for Falcon. Audience, don't make noise. Otherwise, the term googly is associated with. The term googly is associated with. You have only 40 seconds left to think. This is so easiest way. Here the correct answer is cricket. Give 1 mark to Falcon group. So my next question is for Leo. Which nation has the most Olympic gold medal in hockey with 8 medals? अब 9 हो गए. अच्छा gold medal है तो only 8. Which nation has the most Olympic gold medal in hockey? Yes, you have to nation this country.
India.
Yes, the correct answer is give 1 mark to Leo group. So my next question is for Panther. Who amongst the following, अब तो following क्लियर नहीं है तो आपको पता लगाना है, became the first in women cricket to have 20 years of international cricket experience. कौन सी भारतीय महिला का 20 साल का इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट का एक्सपीरियंस है, अनुभव है?
मिताली राज.
Yes, the correct answer is Mithali Raj. Give 1 mark to Panther group. So my next question is for Eagle group. Who is Master Blaster? Who is Master Blaster?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes, the correct answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Give 1 mark to Eagle group. So my next question is for Falcon group. How many players are there in volleyball team? एक वॉलीबॉल टीम में कितने प्लेयर्स होते हैं? How many players are there in volleyball team? 5 to Leo. 5 to Panther. And use mic while you speak. You have only 10 seconds left.
6.
Yes, the correct answer is 6. Give 1 mark to Panther group. So my next question is for Leo. Number of players in one team of Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho में कितने players होते हैं? You have only 14. Yes, the correct answer is 9. Give 1 mark to Leo group. So my next question is for Panther. Number of players in one team of basketball are. एक बास्केटबॉल में कितने प्लेयर होते हैं?
5.
Yes, the correct answer is 5. Give 1 mark to Panther group. So this is the first half, last round. Then we will count down the number and then we will start our second phase. Now it's time for the Eagle group. Who is known as the cricket queen in India? Who is known as the cricket queen in India?
Mithali Raj.
Yes, the correct answer is Mithali Raj. Give 1 mark to Eagle group. Falcon group. Who is known as the Paoli Express and the Golden Girl? Who is known as the Paoli Express and the Golden Girl? You have only 40 seconds left to give the answer. You have only 15 seconds left to think. Wrong. Pass to Panther group. You have only 10 seconds left.
PT Usha.
Yes, the correct answer is PT Usha. Give 1 mark to Panther group. So the next question is for Leo, who is known as Chakra Express. Chakra Express. असली में हिंदी में चक्र. Chakra Express. Chakra Express. Who is known as Chakra Express. You have only 40 seconds left. For you. Pass to Panther. You have only 30 seconds left. You have only 10 seconds left.
Pass.
Eagle group. You have only 5 seconds left.
Haryana Hurricane Kapil Dev.
Pass to Falcon. इनकी बारी थी. The correct answer is क्रिकेट खेलती है. हिंट दे रहा हूं मैं ऑडियंस के लिए. क्रिकेट प्लेयर है वो. अभी अभी रिटायर्ड हुई. 40 साल की थी वो. 40 लंबे बाल. The correct answer is Jural Goswami. So this is the last question for Panther group. So be careful. Who is known as Captain Cool? You have only 45 seconds left.
MS Dhoni.
Yes, the correct answer is MS Dhoni. Give 1 mark to Panther group. और इसी के साथ साथ इस audience ready? So next question is on your screen. Euro Cup is related to which sport? Euro Cup is related to which sport? You have only 40 seconds left to give the answer. Euro Cup is related to which sport? You have only 30 seconds left. Ready? Pass to Falcon group.
Football.
Yes, the correct answer is football. Give 1 mark to Falcon group. So my next question is for Falcon group. How many rings are there in the symbol of Olympic Games? For Falcon.
5.
Yes, the correct answer is 5. Give 1 mark to. My next question is for Leo. What do the 5 rings on the Olympic flag represent?
5 continents.
Yes, the correct answer is 5 continents. Give 1 mark to Leo group. So my next question is for Panther. 2010 Commonwealth Games held in 2010 Commonwealth Game is held in. You have only 30 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Eagle Group. You have only 5 seconds to think.
Indonesian,
Pass to Phantom Group. Time is out. You have to give the answer. Pass to Neo Group. Yes, the correct answer is India. Give one mark to Leo Group. It is associated with which sports? The term dolphin kick is associated with which sports?
football,
Pass to Leo Group.
Falcon.
Yes, the correct answer is swimming. डॉल्फिन क्या तो मछली पानी में रहती है. Give one mark to Leo Group. So, my next question is for Falcon. First Indian to win WTA single title is. First Indian man to win WTA single title is. Pass to Leo.
Sania Mirza.
Yes, the correct answer is Sania Mirza. This is for tennis, not badminton. Give one mark to Leo Group. So my next question is for Leo. FIFA is the global regulatory body of which sport? FIFA is the
Football.
Yes, the correct answer is football. Give one mark to Leo Group. So my next question is for Panther. Who was the first Indian man to get an Olympic medal? We have the options here. Yes, the correct answer is Karnan Maleswari. Give one mark to So my next question is for Eagle Group. What is the full form of IPL? What is the full form of IPL? We have only 40 seconds.
Indian Premier League,
Yes, the correct answer is Indian Premier League. Give one mark to Eagle Group. So my next question is for Falcon. Who became the first Indian male squash player to enter the top 10 in the PSA World Ranking? You have only 30 seconds left. Say the answer in mind. Pass to
Saurabh Thadwal.
Yes, the correct answer is Saurabh Mushai. Give one mark to Leo Group. So my next question is for Leo. The famous C.K. Naidu trophy is associated in which sport? The famous C.K. Naidu trophy is associated with which sport? Pass to Panther Group. The famous C.K. Naidu. Give the answer. Pass to Eagle Group. किसी ने वो ऑप्शन को नहीं बोला। The correct answer is cricket. Give one word to audience. In taste. So my next question is for Panther group. Triples is the new format of what? Triples is the new format of. You have only 45 seconds left.
Second judo.
Pass to Eagle group. Triples is the new format of. 20 seconds left. Triples is the new format of.
Boxing.
Pass. Yes, the correct answer is badminton. घर में कई बार खेलते खेलते बच्चे लोग खेले 2 घंटा तक पता नहीं खेल तो बीच में भूल जाते। So, my next question is for Kumar Mira. My next question is for Eagle. Where did the first Hello India University game take place? First Hello India University games take place.
New Delhi.
Pass to Falcon Group. Where did the first Hello India University games take place? There are only 5 seconds left.
First,
Here the correct answer is Bhubaneswar. Give one more to Falcon Group. So my next question is for Falcon. On 29 August 2019, on the occasion of National Sport Day, which of these movement is launched by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi? Pass to Leo Group.
Second.
Yes, the correct answer is Fit India movement. Give one mark to Leo Group. Leo, which of these Indian footballer is awarded with the Arjuna Award in the year 2019?
D.
Pass to Panther Group. पांच टू Eagle Group नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये सही जवाब है। Give one mark to Panther Group. So my next question is for Panther. Which of these badminton players became first Indian to win a gold medal in badminton world championship? Which of these badminton players became the first Indian to win a gold medal? You have only pass to Eagle Group.
A. PV Sindhu.
Yes, the correct answer is PV Sindhu. Give one mark to Eagle Group. So my next question is for Eagle. In which of these cities the famous Eden Garden Stadium is located? In which of these cities the famous Eden Garden Stadium is located?
English.
Pass to Falcon.
Jaipur.
Pass to. Yes, the correct answer is कोलकाता. और ईडन गार्डन का जो स्टेडियम है हमारे इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्टेडियम है. उसके बाद रायपुर का स्टेडियम और कोलकाता में सिचुएटेड है. So my next question is for Falcon. Which of these award is the highest sporting honor of India? Which of these award is the highest sporting honor of India? You have only
C.
yes, the correct answer is राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड, जिसका नाम अब बदल के ध्यानचंद अवार्ड हो गया है. So my next question is for Leo Group. Who among the following is known as the Flying Sikh of India?
Milkha Singh.
Some question are repeated. The correct answer is Milkha Singh. Give one mark to Leo Group. So next question is for Panther Group. Who was the Indian first football captain? Who is the first Indian football captain? Pass to Eagle Group.
DK Mehta.
Pass to Falcon Group.
D.
Pass to Kismet. Make your own luck. They are making their own luck. The correct answer is A. Dali Meren How. Give one mark to Leo Group. So, the next question is for Eagle Group. Who among the following was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? इनमें से किनको सबसे पहली बार राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड मिला? We have only 20 seconds left. You have 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
C.
Pass.
B.
Yes, the correct answer is Vishwanathan Anand. Give one mark to Falcon Group. So my next question is for Falcon. Who is the first woman cricketer to hit a double century in ODI? First Indian.
C.
Pass. Pass. First woman cricketer. Pass to Eagle Group. सब ऑप्शन को बता दिए कौन सा ऑप्शन बचा उसको देखिए.
A.
Wrong audience. Yes, the correct answer is D. Give one word to Ananya. सभी ऑप्शन इसके ध्यानपूर्वक सुने. इसने क्या छोड़ा है? has been written by which of the following sporting personality? The book straight from the heart.
D.
Yes, the correct answer is D. Give 1 mark. So my next question is for next question is for Ranjan Kidambi is associated with which sport? Sudha Ranjan Kidambi is associated with which sport? You have only 40 seconds. Pass to Eagle Group. Sudha Ranjan Kidambi is associated with which sport? Is associated with which sport? 10 seconds left.
Chess.
Yes, the correct answer is chess. Give 1 mark to Eagle Group. So my next question is for Eagle. Ranji Trophy is associated with which of the following sport? Ranji Trophy is associated with which of the following sports? We have only 50 seconds left.
Tennis.
Pass to Falcon Group. Yes, the correct answer is cricket. Ranji Trophy हर स्टेट का क्रिकेट स्पोर्ट होता है. रणजी ट्रॉफी खेलने हर स्टेट के प्लेयर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. So my next question is for Falcon. Which one of the following Indian cricketer has been declared by the ICC as cricketer of the 20th century? Which of the following Indian cricketer has been declared by the ICC as the cricketer of the 20th century? 40 seconds left. Pass to Leo.
C.
Pass to Panther.
B. Kapil Dev.
Yes, the correct answer is Kapil Dev. Give 1 mark to Panther. So my next question is for Leo. पंकज सर फोटो ले लेंगे. दीदी एक फोटो देगी दवा से कुछ 5-10 को.
Chess.
Yes, the correct answer is chess. Give 1 mark to Leo Group. So my next question is for Panther. Queensberry rule is the name given to the rules in which sport? Queensberry rule. Yes, the correct answer is boxing. Give 1 mark to Panther Group. So my next question is for Eagle Group. The Commonwealth game was started in which year? The Commonwealth game is started in which year? 45 seconds left.
Second. 1958.
Pass to Falcon Group.
C.
Pass to Leo Group. My clock is ticked already. So this answer has gone to audience side. The correct answer is 1930. Give one mark to audience for कितने बारी है? 10 पास. Falcon. Next question is for Falcon. Dronacharya Award is given to Dash. Dronacharya Award is given to pass to team Leo. Pass to Panther. Yes, the correct answer is D. Dronacharya Award is given to the person with excellence in sports coaching. Tiger Woods is famous for which sport? Tiger Woods is famous for which sport? Yes, the correct answer is golf. Give one mark to Leo. My next question is for Panther. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? You have only 50 seconds left. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A is not correctly matched. Pass to Eagle Group. Which of the following is not correctly matched? B. Before ball.
Yes.
Yes, the correct answer is B. Gagan Naran is a shooter. So, give one mark to Eagle Group. So, the question is for Eagle. Which of the following games were formerly known as British Empire Games? Which of the following games were formerly? कौन सा इसमें से लिखा हुआ है पहले ब्रिटिश एम्पायर गेम्स के नाम से जाना जाता था? Which of the following games you have only 45 seconds left? Which of the following games were formerly known as British Empire Games? Only 30 seconds left.
First,
Pass to Falcon Group. Only 5 seconds left. What? Pass to
C.
Yes, the correct answer is Commonwealth Games. Give one mark to Leo. So my next question is for Falcon Group. What is the name of autobiography of Major Dhyan Chand? What is the name of the autobiography of Major Dhyan Chand? We have only 50 seconds left. Pass to
B.
पास टू माइक में बोलेंगे has how many players?
7.
How many?
7.
Yes, the correct answer is 7. Give one mark to Leo group. So my next question is for Panther group. How many medals were won by Indian team at Paris Olympic 2024? अभी जो 2024 में ओलंपिक वर्ष में कितना मेडल इंडिया ने जीता है और आपका टाइम चालू हो गया है? Yes, the correct answer is 6. Give one mark to Panther group. So my next question is for Eagle group. This is the last round of second phase. Recently, which Indian wrestler has announced her retirement after being disqualified from the Olympics? कौन से स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को डिस्क्वालीफाइड कर दिया गया था उसके बाद उन्होंने संन्यास ले लिया? You have only 45 seconds left. मतलब
Pass.
न्यूज नहीं देखते। बालकन पास टू पूरा नाम बताना है करेक्टली, 10 मार्क मिलेगा।
Vinesh Ganguly.
पास ऑडियंस मैम बोलेंगे, मैम माइक देंगे। गुलशन
Dinesh Pogart.
Yes, the correct answer is Dinesh Pogart. So you are not reading the. My next question is for Falcon group. Recently, Neeraj Chopra won which medal in the men's javelin throw at the Paris Olympics?
Silver.
Yes, the correct answer is silver. Give one mark to Falcon group. So my next question is for Leo. Which two countries have been banned for participating in the Paris Olympic 2024? We have only 50 seconds to get the answer. Which two countries have been banned in participating in the Paris Olympic?
North Korea or Afghanistan.
Pass to Panther.
Pakistan and North Korea.
Pass to Eagle group. Pass to Falcon. They are all
North Korea and Afghanistan.
wrong answer. Anyone from the audience side? Yes, the answer is. Anyone? The correct answer is Russia and Belarus. So, the last question of the phase 2 for Panther group. From India, who has won 2 medals in Paris Olympics? पेरिस ओलंपिक में इंडिया से किसने 2 मेडल जीते हैं? You have only 45 seconds left. इंडिया से किसने 2 मेडल जीते हैं पेरिस ओलंपिक में? Question is being passed to Eagle group. You have only 25 seconds left.
Pass.
Pass to Falcon Group.
Neeraj Chopra.
Pass to Leo.
Manu Bhaker.
Yes, the correct answer is Manu Bhaker. He has won 2 bronze medals. So my first question is for Eagle Group. Identify the person who is sick. For incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted. And for every correct answer, 2 marks will be given. Yes, अगर क्वेश्चन पास हो गया आपने गलत जवाब दिया तो भी कटेगा.
Pass.
Pass. Deduct 1 mark from Eagle. Question is being passed. Yes. Yes. आपको किसी भी आंसर में जवाब बताना है, ना तो माइनस होते जाएगा अगर नहीं किए जवाब. Pass. Deduct 1 mark.
Mithali Raj.
Pass. Deduct 1 mark.
Saina Nehwal.
From audience, deduct 1 mark. Yes, the correct answer is Harmanpreet Kaur. Give 5 marks for every incorrect answer. 1 mark will be deducted. So be careful. Yes, the correct answer is Mithali Raj. Give 2 marks to Bhartam. +2. My next question is for Leo. Who is he?
Sunil Chhetri.
Yes, the correct answer is Sunil Chhetri. Give 2 marks to Leo Group. So my next question is for Panther. Who is she? Who is she?
Geeta Pawar.
Pass to Eagle Group.
Smriti Mahananda.
Deduct 1 mark from the both team. Falcon. You have to say the answer or 1 mark will be deducted.
Anand.
Pass and 1 mark deduct from the Falcon team. Deduct 1 mark from Leo team. From audience. Yes, the correct answer is Vinesh Kumar. 5 marks to audience. For audience 5 marks. और गलत ऑडियंस भी कटेगा, वो भी याद रखना है. 3 marks. So my next question is for Eagle. Identify him. Identify him. अगर कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे तो आपको मार्क रखना ही रखना है. तो दूंगा बोल के मार्क. और इसको भी जाना तो
Rahul.
राहुल. बहुत ही गलत जवाब. पास.
Neeraj Chopra.
नीरज चोपड़ा. Give 3 marks and deduct 1 mark. 3 marks to Falcon. अब इतना बड़ा उच्चारण ज्ञानी किशन पड़ा है. Next question is for Falcon Group. Identify her. Yes, the correct answer is Mary Kom. Give 2 marks to Falcon. So my next question is for Leo. Who is he? बाकी लोग देखते रहे, पहचानने की कोशिश करें। Deduct 1 mark from Leo. Don't take too much time.
Pass.
Deduct 1 mark from Panther.
David James.
Pass to Falcon Group. Deduct 1 mark from Eagle. No more time. Deduct 1 mark for the Falcon. From audience. No one. The correct answer is Manpreet Singh. So from audience side, deduct 3 marks. So for Panther Group, who is he? Who is he? बाकी लोग सोचते रहेंगे अगर किसी को 3 पॉइंट जीतना है तो ऑडियंस भी देखते रहेंगे 5
कुमार यादव.
वेरी गुड, यही है सूर्य कुमार यादव. पास टू ईगल ग्रुप.
Pass.
पास टू पैटर्न. दोनों टीम से 1 मैच सिलेक्ट करते हुए जाएंगे. पास टू लियो. 1 मैच डिडक्ट करेंगे पैटर्न से. ग्रेट खली. वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. डिडक्ट 1 मार्क फ्रॉम लियो. फ्रॉम ऑडियंस साइड. Audience side. The name of this famous personality is Anup Kumar. He is a pro kabaddi player. So now it's time for Eagle Group. Who is she?
PV Sindhu.
Yes, the correct answer is PV Sindhu. Give 2 marks to Eagle Group. For Falcon Group, your question is ready. Who is he? Who is he? Pass. Deduct 1 mark from Falcon.
Pass.
Deduct 1 mark from Leo. Eagle Group.
Vijay.
बहुत ही गलत जवाब. From audience side, deduct 1 mark. No one. The correct answer is Bajrang Punia. Okay, number 3. So my next question is for Leo. Who is he?
Narayan Kartikeyan.
Yes, the correct answer is Narayan Kartikeyan. Give 2 marks to Leo. My next question is for Panther Group. Who is she? Who is she?
Sanya Mirza.
Sanya Mirza. Very good. Galat jawab. Pass to Eagle Group.
Chaliye chalo.
Yes, the correct answer is final one. Give 3 marks to Eagle Group and deduct 1 mark from Panther. Panther 1 mark. Yeah, minus. Very good. So my next question is for कहाँ बोले थे? Eagle Group. Who is he?
Major Dhyanchandra.
Yes, the correct answer is Major Dhyanchandra. Give 2 marks to Eagle Group. Next question is for Falcon Group. See it carefully. Who is he? Who is he?
Abhinav Bindra.
Yes, the correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. Give 2 marks to Falcon Group. Who is he?
Vishwanatha.
Yes, the correct answer is Vishwanatha Anand. Give 2 marks to Leo. So my next question is for Panther Group. Who is she? Who is she? बाकी टीम रेडी रहेंगे अगर किसी को बोनस कमाना है तो
Sanya Mirza.
pass to Eagle Group. Who is she? Deduct 1 mark. Don't take too much time. Who is she? Audience ready रहेंगे.
Pass.
Deduct 1 mark for Eagle Group.
Manu Bhaskar.
Yes, the correct answer is Manu Thakur. Give 3 marks to Falcon Group.
क्या बोले?
So this is going to be the last round. Last and final 4 questions. Are you ready? Audience ready? These 4 questions will decide the winner.
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ.
Who is he?
Milkha Singh. हम लोग का बड़ी
बाद में
The question is for Eagle Group. And you have told the answer and you have broken the rights. Teachers decide what you have to do. Judges, how much mark? This is the final round and round has to be started from that side. Judges will decide how much mark they have to. Hey, everyone keep this silent. And I know that team knows the answer. Because it is the very easiest one.
सर इनका आउटपुट पॉइंट्स माइनस करके इनको 3 पॉइंट दिया वो क्योंकि क्वेश्चन इंक्रीज
Yes. तो यहाँ पे 2 घटाएंगे, वहाँ पे 3 बढ़ाएंगे. Do it fast. लियो में 2 घटेगा और ईगल में 3 बढ़ेगा. So be careful while you are giving the answer. So next question is for Falcon group. And the question is on your screen. Who is he? Who is he? Audience भी ready रहेंगे. We have 1 mark from Falcon.
Leander Post.
Here the answer is Leander Paes. Pass. Give 3 mark to Leo. और यहाँ से 1 बार डिडक्ट किए. So next question is for Leo. Who is he?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Very good. Give 2 mark to Leo. The luck is on their hand. The luck is on their. They are making their own luck. So the last and final question is for Panther. So everyone be active. Who is he? बाकी लोग रेडी रहेंगे. Who is he? Don't take too much time.
Pass.
Deduct 1 mark from Panther group first. Who is he? 3 mark के 1 mark थोड़ा बहुत है. कौन है ये?
Pass.
Deduct 1 mark from Eagle group.
Arjun Erigaisi.
बहुत ही गलत जवाब. 1 mark काटेंगे. Leo, you are making your own luck.
Alaknanda.
हाँ, brother.